Hey everyone, Kim here. Let's talk jet lag. We've all been there, right? That feeling after a long flight where your body's screaming one time zone, but the clock on the wall is singing a completely different tune. It's the worst. You're exhausted, but you can't sleep. You're hungry, but nothing seems appetizing. And your brain feels like it's stuck in a fog. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? You can conquer jet lag and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. It's totally possible with a few simple strategies that I've picked up over the years. So, if you're ready to ditch the jet lag and embrace your inner travel ninja, buckle up. Let's do this. Alright, let's kick things off with the first rule in our jet lag fighting playbook, adjusting your sleep schedule before you even leave home. This is a crucial step that can set the tone for your entire trip. I know, it sounds like homework, and nobody likes homework, especially when you're gearing up for an exciting adventure. But trust me, this one step can make a world of difference. It's like giving yourself a secret weapon against the dreaded jet lag. Think of it like giving your body a head start on acclimating to your destination's time zone. It's a proactive approach that can save you a lot of discomfort later. Our bodies love routine and thrive on predictability. When you gradually adjust your sleep schedule, you're essentially training your body to adapt more smoothly. By gradually shifting your sleep schedule in the days leading up to your trip, you're easing your body into the new time zone. This means less grogginess and more energy when you arrive. A good rule of thumb is to shift your bedtime and wake-up time by an hour or two each day, starting a few days before your departure. This gradual change is much easier for your body to handle. For example, if you're traveling east, start going to bed and waking up earlier. This helps you sync with the new time zone ahead of time. If you're traveling west, start going to bed and waking up later. This way, your body will be more in tune with the time difference. It might feel a little strange at first, but your body will thank you for it when you land feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Try incorporating some light exercise and healthy meals into your pre-trip routine too. Exercise can help regulate your sleep patterns, and nutritious food will keep your energy levels up. Preparation is key. By taking these small steps before you even set foot on that plane, you're setting yourself up for a much smoother travel experience. It's all about making the transition as seamless as possible. You'll be ready to hit the ground running and actually enjoy your adventure from the moment you arrive. No more wasting precious vacation time feeling tired and out of sync. So, are you ready to commit to a little pre-trip sleep training? Your body will thank you, and you'll be able to make the most of your journey. Okay, we've tackled the pre-trip prep. Now let's talk about what to do during your flight. One of the biggest culprits of jet lag is dehydration. The air inside airplanes is notoriously dry, and when you're dehydrated, your body can't function at its best. Dehydration can make jet lag symptoms even worse, leaving you feeling fatigued and sluggish. So how do we combat this in-flight dryness? It's simple. Water. Make water your new best friend during that flight. Ditch the soda, skip the coffee, and just guzzle that H2O. Bring an empty, reusable water bottle with you through security and fill it up once you're at your gate. Most flight attendants are happy to keep your water bottle topped up during the flight, so don't be shy about asking. Staying hydrated will not only help combat jet lag, but will also make you feel more alert and energized during your trip. Remember, hydration is key to a happy and healthy trip. So, drink up, my friends. Chapter 3. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. Let's talk about everyone's favorite travel companions, alcohol and caffeine. They seem like the perfect way to relax and stay alert during your travels, right? A glass of wine or a cup of coffee can be tempting, especially on a long flight. They offer comfort and a sense of normalcy amidst the chaos of travel. But these indulgences can actually sabotage your efforts to beat jet lag. They might seem harmless, but they can have a significant impact on your body's ability to adjust. Alcohol might help you fall asleep initially, but it disrupts your sleep cycle, leading to poorer quality sleep overall. This can leave you feeling even more tired and groggy. And when you're already battling a disrupted sleep schedule, the last thing you need is another factor messing with your sleep. It can make adjusting to a new time zone even harder. Caffeine, on the other hand, stays in your system longer than you might think, and can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. It can keep you wired when you need to rest. So, what's the verdict? When it comes to combating jet lag, it's best to steer clear of alcohol and caffeine until you've adjusted to your new time zone. Your body will thank you for it. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives that will support your body's natural rhythms. These choices will help you feel more refreshed and ready to take on your destination. Remember that water we talked about earlier? Yeah, that's your new best friend. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining your energy levels and overall well-being. Stay hydrated, nourish your body with healthy meals and snacks, and prioritize rest. These small changes can make a big difference in how you feel during and after your flight. Your body will thank you for it. Embrace these healthier habits and enjoy a more comfortable and pleasant travel experience. Chapter 4. Get plenty of sunlight. So you've landed at your destination. Now what? It's time to enlist the help of Mother Nature's most powerful jet lag remedy. Sunlight. Sunlight is like a magic elixir for our internal clocks. When our eyes are exposed to sunlight, it signals to our brains that it's time to be awake and alert. So, as soon as you can after landing, get yourself outside and soak up some rays. Take a walk around your new surroundings, explore a local park, or find a sunny cafe. The key is to expose yourself to as much natural light as possible, especially during daylight hours. Even on cloudy days, getting outside can still make a difference. By getting outside and exposing yourself to sunlight, you're giving your body the cues it needs to adapt and overcome that jet lag fog. Embrace the power of sunlight, my friends. Chapter 5. Use sleep aids wisely. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, jet lag hits us hard, and we need a little extra help to get our sleep back on track. This is where sleep aids come into play. Sleep aids, whether over-the-counter or prescription, can be a tempting solution to combat the effects of jet lag and sleepless nights. But sleep aids should be used cautiously and sparingly. It's important to understand their potential side effects and limitations. They can be helpful in the short term, providing much needed rest, but relying on them too heavily can make it harder for your body to adjust naturally to new time zones. If you're considering using sleep aids, talk to your doctor first. They can provide valuable guidance and ensure that you use them safely. They can help you determine if they're right for you and recommend the appropriate type and dosage, tailored to your specific needs. If you do decide to use sleep aids, start with the lowest possible dose and see how your body reacts. Monitor any side effects closely. Avoid using sleep aids every night and reserve them for those nights when you're really struggling to sleep. Overuse can lead to dependency. Don't use sleep aids as a long-term solution. They are meant to be a temporary fix, not a permanent crutch. Focus on establishing healthy sleep habits that will serve you well beyond your trip. Techniques like relaxation, exercises, and maintaining a consistent sleep schedule can be very effective. It's all about finding what works best for you. Prioritize your well-being and make informed choices for a restful journey. Outro. So there you have it, my friends. 5 proven ways to tackle jet lag head-on and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Remember, traveling is an incredible privilege, a chance to experience new cultures, connect with people from all walks of life, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't let jet lag rob you of those precious moments. By implementing these tips, you're giving yourself the gift of a smoother, happier, and more fulfilling travel experience. Pack your bags, chase those dreams, and explore the world with confidence, knowing that you've got this whole jet lag thing handled. Safe travels, everyone.